Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'll be sharing with you the Simply Gilded March 2024 monthly subscription box. The theme is called Lily's Pond. This was meant to be a lighter version of a previous subscription box called Swan Lake. If you have any questions about any of the items, feel free to leave a comment down below. Otherwise, please enjoy this stationery unboxing. Thank you so much for watching this stationery unboxing. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that you want to see more videos like this one. If you want to keep seeing my videos, be sure to also subscribe and click on that notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Until next time, goodbye.